Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Okay, so we're going to be reviewing Pojo 2.0, their new release, image to video. So we're going to be putting something up. I guess we'll put Bianca up here. 16 by 9, that's fine. 16 by 9, prompt on 10 seconds. Protection. See how this turns out. Okay, and then we're going to hit create. We're going to be doing a couple of other things here. So let's see how this one turns out. Looking like it's just the video, so I'm not too sure if they're going to be putting the Pojo 2.0 with the oh, they got video to video now. Okay, that's interesting. I might look into that. As well. But let's see how this one turns out. This is like the image to video. Just a simple type of thing. Obviously, this would be kind of like a photo shoot or something along those lines. So let's see how this turns out. And yeah, that's interesting. I think the video, the AI video editor. So looking like they're trying to. I want to see the. I think they updated the mimic or something. Like the shorts are still kind of new, but like I tried the shorts out. They're actually pretty good. In the last review that I did. But looking like it's only image to video at the moment. So obviously there's different models. I would usually use WAN. Source looking insanely crazy. Video is not too bad. VO is decent to a certain degree. CDance, obviously they got the image to video 1.0. Obviously the previous model. Pixelverse V5. I've actually tried that out. It's actually pretty decent. But CDance is not too bad too, but I still like my WAN or my video. Helio 2.3 isn't too bad, but it's very, very short though. It's only like maybe like 5 seconds, which I'm not a big fan of. Like if they can like upgrade the next one, they would upgrade it to like whatever it might be, to like at least 10 seconds. I think I can do it because I heard it's actually pretty good. I haven't really tried it. I used to do 5 seconds before, obviously, because obviously I couldn't really expand because obviously, but the 10 seconds was a lot longer. But and obviously it all beneath the sub, and so I did the CPPs and everything. So let's see how this one turns out. So I'm gonna test out a couple of other ones. All right, let's see how this one turns out. I'm actually kind of curious. I want to play it. Hold on. Oh, there you go. Here's the play. See the sound? I spelled you. Oh, it's good, but I spelled I put stars instead of stairs. Oh boy. I'm gonna delete this one, but it actually turned out pretty good. So we're gonna try again, and hit that up. Yeah, on the stars. Yeah, and it's like what there's no stars. The AI is looking for this. Oh man. Oh boy. We'll try again. I love how they say it's optional. So I guess like the AI would do whatever it wants, but like it has the audio too, which I do like. But VO isn't too bad. The 3.1, it's around 10 seconds, so that's actually pretty good. I pretty much tried everything for the most part on this. Like, the mimic motion is actually really good. The shorts, avatars, these are just avatars. Like, it's kind of like everyone is doing at Higgsfield, the UGC. Like, it's like HeyGen, all this type of stuff. Like, I'm not a big fan of it. I know that a lot of people are using the WAN 2.2 motion with that too, but like, I don't know. I'm not into it. But the 2.0 is really good. It looks actually really good. I like it. The sound and like the cinematic, and it looks really cool. Like with the sound of like the cameras like being like a photo shoot. But like, yeah, I messed up one little word. I stars. I was supposed to put an I, and then like, oh, and it's like looking for. I was like, oh boy, I messed up. But this is actually really good. Like it's turning out to be really, really good. I'm gonna see what else they've like. Obviously, I pretty much reviewed everything, but there's a couple of other things. Like I never knew they had the video to video, so I don't know. I might do another review or something. Um, Again, just like to cover some other types of things. Um, but this is good. I'm impressed with it. It's smooth. It's good. Um, People again like when yeah, I messed up with my prompt, obviously, um, but stuff happens. Bianca on the stairs is on the stairs. Same shit. Like she's on the stairs. Where is Bianca? Bianca is on the stairs, or Bianca on like whatever. Like it's still. No, it knows what it means. I know there's a staircase. Like, but I put stars. Like oh boy, did I mess up on that one? Not too bad, but looking like it's not really good for photo shoots. Okay. Maybe not on this one. This would be maybe a better for like I don't know, like it's not too bad, but like I think like, it's good. I like it, but like it doesn't. I don't know. Maybe I'll do something better on the prompt editor, but I don't know. Let's continue. I don't know. It just seems very. Maybe. Okay, let's got that isn't too bad. That's a possibility. I guess we'll go with this one. What was that one? Maybe that could work. I don't know. We'll try the prompt again. If not, then we'll try the prompt again. Um, if not, then we'll definitely switch it up. And then try a different image. Maybe it's too basic. I don't really know. Um, usually, I not like usually cancel and then I'll just usually like it would be pretty good. Usually, like I would put something up and like they're like ooh but I'm not too sure. Maybe stairs aren't really the greatest way to model. I don't know. Like I'm just doing my thing, and but again, it's good. But maybe I can use a different photo or something along those lines. Like I don't. I'm not too sure on this one. But it is good though. Like I'm not going to say that it's bad. Like you can really tell that like the motion's really good, it's fluid. Like you can hear like the nice sounds of like the snapshots and everything. Like so like it adds that quality. Um and you can like as well like I fully agree on the cinematics of it because obviously as this is loading, I'm just gonna like see how it captures like the mirrors and all the other background things in the background. Like look how crisp that is. Like from that photo, like the skin is really nice. And look at her like her eyes, like it looks really good. Um, and like that's what it is. So like I think like it has like a lot of potential. Just by that, and you can hear the sounds. Like usually, like you wouldn't hear the sounds, or like it would be something that you would mostly hear in something like maybe VO3 or something, or it could be something like maybe off WAN. WAN also has like that good type of sound. Video Q2 isn't too bad either, something along those lines. Like one of those models. But it's something like for like an in-house model, like I not so much. But this is this has potentiality, and like I do like it. And like it's there. And like it has that type of. If not, I'm gonna do something else. I just want to try to if we can do something nice for a model because. But if not, I'm gonna probably do something else off of something else. But like it's worth a shot. Let's see how this one turns out. Okay, no, this is definitely not for the models. I guess not. But it's we'll try something else. Obviously, we're gonna try like a different prompt. We got a couple of other more photos. Obviously not models, but we got some other couple of things that maybe we could use. I got a lot of models, of course, because I like making models and like doing all these other types of things. Um, but we'll try maybe Iron Man origami. And you can do something like along these lines on what you want it to do. So apostrophe S. I guess we're gonna do this one. And then I'm gonna maybe try to make it a little bit better. Yes, that looks pretty cool. So, Iron Man origami. So we're gonna do that. And obviously it's origami Iron Man. So let's see how it turns out. Something a little bit more basic, I think. I'm not too sure if would be this one. Again, with the models, like obviously there's like other things that I would mostly use to have better things like uh-huh. Okay. I just want origami Iron Man. Like it's just Iron Man, origami Iron Man going through the sky. It's kind of it. Gener Video generation failed. Wow. I guess I can't do origami Iron Man. We'll try something else. We got a couple of other things that we got. This, um, I guess we'll try to do maybe Xavier. Yes, hold on. Just give us a minute, guys. We're just kind of surprised. So it is a little bit glitchy to a certain degree. Saying that it's not. Let's move Xavier over here. We will be using him obviously right now. But just give me a minute. So Xavier here. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so let's try Xavier right here. It's something that I generated with something else. I like doing art, so I want to see how Ojo would do this one. No. That looks cool. Okay, so we're gonna do this one and then see how this turns out. So Pojo AI isn't too bad. It can do the model type of stuff pretty good. I want to see if I can do this one. Obviously, since it's new, obviously lots of people are using it. So obviously, I do expect certain things. Yeah, obviously it's new. Everyone wants to use a new model. People go crazy. All that type of stuff. I totally get it. Obviously, we're going to do a couple of tests just to see how it turns out. Obviously, um, we're not going to just do one. And like, obviously, you got to do a couple of things. Obviously, depending on the prompt itself. So yeah, sometimes like, yeah, obviously we're gonna experiment with different things. We're gonna do this. We're gonna see if we're gonna do this. See what works with the model. See what doesn't work with the model. See what prompts work. See what prompts don't. So it's like okay, and that's it. Like I tested it out for like 4 minutes. Okay, there you go. Like no, like, you need to do a couple of other types of things. And so yeah, like I think that like obviously like a good you like need to see how it is. Obviously, there's different types of like things you want to do. All in all, it's actually really good. Like I would have to say, like it's decent. Like it's pretty solid. So we're gonna see how this turns out. Oh wow, that's actually really good. Yeah, that's actually really good. Like I'm gonna see it in obviously in full screen. We're gonna go into the full screen. And then it's 9:16, unfortunately. That's yeah, I like it. Like it's good. So it's still 9:16. I can probably convert it over or like whatever the photo or like the video, but like still not too bad. All in all, I'll have to say it's pretty good. I might do something like this again. But I had to convert the photo. I thought it was 16:9. It's 9:16. This is actually pretty good too. For the Halloween, I wanted to see something like that, so it wasn't too bad. So there's certain things, certain prompts. But I'm also gonna look at some other type of stuff. Obviously, I did the shorts; those are actually pretty good. We got the mimic motion, which I did, and that's actually pretty good too. You can do your template, record a template. I did the mimic motion actually before. You got like all your sample templates right here, and then you can like mimic the motion of certain things, which is actually pretty good. On the AI video editor, I never knew you can actually do this the video edit. So I'm actually gonna look into this. This actually looks kind of cool. So like you can like try to sample videos. Like that's actually pretty cool. So it's only 720p at the moment, but like I'm gonna look into this obviously. This looks actually kind of cool. Yeah, what's this? I'm actually kind of curious. Look at this. Oh, look at that. That's actually really cool. Like, okay, this is actually very interesting. So they've added quite a lot. Yeah, that's cool. So I don't know. I might look into all this type of stuff. You can add your own image references and all that. So interesting. I don't know. Like interesting. So I might do another review tomorrow on this, and see how that turns out. But it looks very interesting. So looking like it's probably one of those things that they added in, looking like with the video 2.0. Oh, this is actually part of the 2.0. Ah, look at that. Okay, so I guess I'll actually do something. I thought, okay, so I'm gonna add like I guess add a reference image. So I'm gonna do something like this. So flower and pond right here. So and then I'm gonna turn this obviously into like your thing. So okay, let's see how this turns out. And obviously you have your advanced, so obviously your resolution, and obviously 60 credits, but I'm not really, and I might do some of the sample videos. So I'm gonna hit create. And we're gonna see how this turns out. So something really simple, obviously a simple boxing match. So, and then I actually might do like the sample videos, maybe try sample videos. That's actually not too bad. That's actually kind of cool. So then we got the video to video. So I did this already, which is actually kind of cool. You can turn your video into something else. And then you got the animation, AI animation generator. So obviously you can like create something with some animation, which I also tried out too. I did some anime certain things. I'm not the biggest fan of anime, but I did try it out. Obviously your effects, obviously what effects do you want? I did all this type of stuff. Kissing generator, I reviewed all this before. Twerk type of stuff, become a werewolf. I did all that already. And then obviously with your tools, lip sync, you can actually do lip sync now. You can sync up your lips. So something like obviously Sync Studios, AI pet cost generator. I'm actually kind of curious when I don't know how this got famous with the talking baby. So I'm actually kind of curious. AI talking baby, there you go. Like I said. So you can sync your lips. So obviously something like sync. But yeah, for the most part, I reviewed a lot of things. You got your video tools, obviously image tools. You got AI close generator. You got a tap generator. It's actually pretty cool. Extender, photo restoration, logos. Oh, you can actually make your own logos. Actually, that's actually kind of cool. There you go. Character generator. So this is, you can make your own characters, cartoon character maker, and then you can import it. And then your image generators, all this type of stuff. So I already did a lot of certain things like this already with AI tools, but for the most part, I have to say it's pretty solid. But yeah, the whole video type of thing, I didn't know they were doing that. So the shorts are still in beta, and then obviously the effects. I might do some Christmas stuff actually. I haven't. I do want to do some Christmas AI type of stuff. So we'll see how that goes. But we're gonna go back to our generate video and see how our boxing match is turning out. But it's kind of amazing now how you have so much more creativity on this. Oh, and it's using runway gen for Elf, so it's using runway. I haven't really used. I've used runway before on a couple of things, but let's see how this turns out. Oof. So it is very blurry, and I told. So well, this is not too bad. It's a little bit blurry. I would maybe do it, and yeah, it doesn't really do like a prompt because obviously like I wanted like to use the photo itself. So I don't know how like obviously describe so obviously AI video edit. So looking like I want to like an image reference, and looking like you would have to upload like a video itself. But I didn't have the video, so I tried to do something. But that's actually pretty cool as well if you want to do certain things. So like you can either upload your video or obviously describe your prompt. So I guess like this would be like another one. So I'm not too sure. Maybe I'm gonna do something else. That was a pretty decent, but I didn't get the image right. I'm not really a big fan of that, so I don't know. We're gonna put this. We got a couple of other things, so I'm not too sure what else I might do. So I'm gonna probably put I guess Harper right here. We'll try this one again. So says I can't do it for some reason. It says I need credits, even though I have a lot of credits. So I think I might have to refresh Pojo because I think it's being really weird. We're gonna try again. Unless you actually need the photo. Oh, so you actually need the sample photo. Ah, okay. So usually, so how this works is now I understand why flower and pond is because you would need a and that's why I kind of changed her. Okay, yeah, I kind of understand now why it got changed. Flower and pond got changed a bit. Is because so you would need a sample video, and then it would get changed by the sample video, and that's why she got changed. Like, what? So you would actually need like something, and then you would edit like your video. Like if you had like a boxing match or something from like you would make something, obviously with the text of video or like whatever or like the image of the video, and then you would take that image or that video and then put like and obviously have like a prompt, which is and like describe it. That's actually very interesting on how they're doing it. Interesting comparing it to Higgsfield popcorn in a way which is kind of similar, but it's not. But like either way, like it has like, but in a way, it's actually very interesting on how now like it's going into more cinematics and all that type of stuff. But all in all, I would have to say this is actually pretty solid. So good review. It's actually very interesting. I would like to see how this evolves. In other aspects. But for the most part, I would have to say it's actually pretty solid. And I would say all in all, it's good. Obviously, this is optional, so you can either use images or you can just use the video itself, which looking like that is the idea. All in all, I'll have to say this is solid. And a big upgrade. Now I'm understanding why they're saying it's one of their biggest upgrades. And very favorable. I'm not too sure if it's going to be, if they're going to be using the Pojo 2.2 itself with the image as well. That would be a smart idea, but I'm not too sure what they're going to be doing with that. Looking like obviously video to video, you can do that too. I'm not too sure if they're going to be doing anything with the video to video and the animation and a couple of other things. But all in all, I would have to say it is super solid, super good. I do need to do some Christmas stuff, so it's kind of interesting how they actually have some Christmas things up there. So I will probably be doing some Christmas things or Black Friday type of things. Expect certain things up. Now that I know that they have certain things, obviously Higgsfield is obviously going to be putting their thins as well. So expect some Christmas thins up as well. So we got all these types of thins. So we got the Christmas, the Black Friday, all these other type of thins. So I'm actually kind of excited to be doing certain things like that. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe. And as always, Mr. Z signing out.